Several families are still waiting for convicted truck stop serial killer Bruce Mendenhall to stand trial.
It's been 8 years since a jury convicted him in Nashville, but he's charged in 3 other cases.
He's also a suspect in the murders of a half-dozen other women, including Letitia Milliken, whose body has never been found. As News Channel 5's Mark Bellinger reports, her family is frustrated with the wait.
This is maybe 4 years before she passed away. And
Jessica Donahue carries the memories of her sister in a very simple photo album.
I think my sister's worthy of justice, and I think she needs it, and her kids need it.
Her sister, Letitia Milliken, disappeared in March 2007. 3 months later, a security guard found a body at a Nashville truck stop. Donahue and her mother, Tammy Northcutt, went there thinking the very worst.
So I hit the concrete in Truck Stop America parking lot. You know, news is flying, helicopters, and I really thought it was my child.
But it was not Milliken, it was Sarah Holbert. A jury convicted Bruce Mendenhall of the murder. Milliken and Holbert were a lot alike. Both were hooked on crack cocaine and prostituting themselves at the truck stop to pay for their addictions. Police found Milliken's blood and DNA in Mendenhall's truck, but her body has never been found.
They have families. That was my biggest sister. I've looked up to her. I grew up with her, and she has kids, and it's horrible to have to look at her son's face and not be able to tell him, I don't know where she's at. I don't know exactly how she died.
Mendenhall has not been charged with Milliken's death. He has been charged in 3 others. His next trial is in Lebanon for the killing of Samantha Winters in a truck stop there. Next, he goes to Indianapolis, where prosecutors are seeking the death penalty for the murder of Karma Papora. Birmingham gets Mendenhall next. Authorities there will try him for the murder of Lucille Gretna Carter. Mendenhall is 64 years old. Northcutt and Donahue fear they may never get their day in court.
If anything comes out of this, I want him to see a picture of my sister and hear her name out loud, and let him know that my family knows what he did, and I hope her face haunts him every night while he's resting with Tennessee's finest.
Mark Bellinger, News Channel 5 HD.
No trial date has been set in Lebanon. The DA's office says the court is waiting on results of an appeal filed by Mendenhall over evidence presented in the Holbert case in Nashville. A decision is expected later this summer.